Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Stitch Fix. I'm very excited about this. I will insert a picture of my Pinterest board. I forgot to take a screenshot of my note to my stylist. If it's still Madison, she's expecting, so I'm sort of expecting any time now that she will leave us for a little bit and go off and begin her family. I'm so excited for her. So Madison, if you're watching, if you've had your little one, if you're on your way, if you're almost there, I wish you so much joy and happiness and an easy delivery for a healthy, happy, beautiful baby. Congratulations. Okay, so this is my April Stitch Fix. I'm very excited to have this. I forgot to take a screenshot of my note. I will insert a picture of my Pinterest board. I do recall I asked for navy and blue, or navy and yellow and anything like that. I'm into the whites, the navies, and the yellows right now. Pink, pale pink, not a lot of pink, but a little bit. It all looks so fresh and bright and springy. Of course, we're all ready for spring. So let's get into this. I do have a cruise coming up, but this one's going to Alaska. So what's in here will likely not come with me. However, I will be traveling in July to Pensacola. I've recently lost 20 pounds. So all of the changes in here, this will all come in for July. So I'm so excited. Okay, so what's in your Stitch Fix box? Your return mailer, your return mail envelope. Anything you don't keep or need to exchange, slip right back in here, put it right in your mailbox. Stitch Fix is $20 per box. Anything you purchase in the box, that $20 is credited towards. If you purchase nothing, you do forfeit your $20. Some people have the opportunity to have a styling pass, which is a one-time fee of I'm not sure how much, and that fee is then credited towards anything you purchase in your first box. If you buy all 5 pieces, you do receive a 25% discount. And I believe that's everything. Okay, so here's my note from my stylist. I'll get right into that in just a moment. Oh, look at that bundle of blue and yellow. I love it. Look at that bright blue. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, so let's read my note very quickly. Okay. All right, hi Favor, warm weather has finally arrived. I'm feeling good and ready to meet baby boy in a few weeks. Oh, I'm so excited for you. I love all the new pins on your Pinterest board. I did not have any exact matches for you today, but was able to find some either similar styles I think you will enjoy. I started you off with a vibrant teal short. They will look great with any of the shirts I included for you today. I included the skies are blue embroidered top because it is outside your norm, but I think you will really enjoy it. The verse V-neck top aligns with your yellow, black, and white theme. Black. Oh, I must have said black. I meant navy. I'm so sorry. And it can be paired with black or white shorts to get a similar style to your pin. Thoughts? XO Madison. PS. Yes, I will. Yes, Madison, I will request you when you return, my dear. Not a problem, for sure. You're the only stylist I've ever had with Stitch Fix, and I intend to keep it that way. I don't mind sharing and adventuring a little bit while you are away, recovering and enjoying your new little one. Again, congratulations. Oh, I'm gonna get teary-eyed. I'm so excited for you. Oh. She shared something a little personal in here that I didn't want to share on camera, so there you go. Congratulations, my dear. Okay, so let's get into this. I'm excited. I'm very excited. Alrighty. Oh, look. Okay, so I have promo credit or other credit of $75. Wow. Okay. I'll need to see what that is. I am an affiliate of Stitch Fix, an influencer of Stitch Fix. Now the way it works, it used to be when you would click on my link, I would get $25 on my statement like this, on my bill. What is this called? On my invoice. But now I'm just paid directly that $25. It's a little upsetting to me because I don't get your name anymore, and I miss that. I really appreciate it when you click on a link of anyone. It doesn't matter if it's your friend or a YouTuber or anybody. It doesn't matter. We really appreciate it, and so do they. Okay, let's get into it. Look at this. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I really like that. This is like a linen blend. This is, who is this by? Verse. Okay, this is the one she was talking. Verse, Amber Lee, V-neck top, white, medium, $42. I love this. I love the light yellow, it's a black stripe. I really like that little peephole in the back there. I like that it's a V-neck. Definitely can't wait to try this on. This will look great with white shorts, yellow shorts, black shorts, doesn't matter. I really like that. Okay, and $42. Oh, this is precious. Look how cute that is. Oh, I really like that. Now, I'm not really into the boho style, but this embroidered trend that's going on right now with the little, what are those, pom-poms hanging off the bottom? I'm so into that. I think it's so cute, and the little eyelet here at the top. This is adorable. I love this. Okay, this is a Stitch Fix exclusive. This is by Skies Are Blue. Skies Are Blue Donna embroidered top, white, medium, $54. So, but absolutely adorable. This feels, it's lined. It is fully lined. Let's see what the material is. It feels very soft. It feels like it's just cotton. 100% cotton lining, 100% rayon. Exclusive at decoration. Oh, well, it doesn't feel like rayon. It feels like cotton. So there'll be a little bit of shrinking, and it will definitely need to be ironed or steamed. I'm not sure I really care. I think it's that cute. Okay. This here. All right. Oh, I like this yellow striped top. This is super cute, comfortable. Look at the detail in the back. Oh, how cute. It buttons up the back. It's a slight high-low, just a slight straight little t-shirt with some character in the back. That's precious. Okay, this is by Pink Clover. It's mustard in a medium. It is the Daisy button back detail mustard medium, $34. So soft. I really like this. I like that a lot. Oh wow, this box is turning out to be fantastic. I mean, Madison always does that. I love it. Oh, this is a dress. Wait. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the little like roll tab short sleeves though. V-neck, which is always nice. A beautiful stripe, lovely stripe. Nice cotton, lightweight dress. Perfect for a cruise ship. Perfect for travel. Oh, I love this. And you know what? You can still wear these in the winter. Just put them over leggings and some boots. Put a belt on. If you wear a belt, I don't wear belts, but if you do, it would be nice. Kind of cinch in at the waist, a nice cardigan. I guess not winter, maybe fall, if it's still cold for you, late spring. All right, this is still early spring, or is it? It's late spring. Okay, this is a Stitch Fix exclusive as well. This is the French Gray Julia knit dress, black and a medium at $44. I really think this is adorable. I did just pick up a dress from Old Navy that's similar to this with flutter sleeves. It's a shorter sleeve. I'm gonna have to try this one on. I still have time to take that one back from Old Navy. If this one's cuter, we're gonna get this one. We will see. I love this. I like a flutter sleeve. I really do. They're fun, they're different, but I also appreciate a sleeve, especially if you're gonna be in the sun, kind of covers up. And I love these shorts. Look at the shorts. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. So they have a faux pocket. No, it's an actual pocket. Oh, that's nice. It's an actual pocket. I actually really like this bright blue. These are, it says Lycra, so they're stretchy. This is Market and Spruce. Market and Spruce Lorraine short, turquoise, and a 6, $54. Whew. $54. You guys, this box, everything in this box, I love everything in this box. This is going to be a difficult box. However, because of you wonderful people, and because of the discount, so the box is $228 with the $57 25% discount for buying everything and my promotional credit of $75. That makes the whole box $96 for 5 pieces. So, that's not bad. You know, that's really actually great. All right. So you've seen me try everything on. Now I'm gonna actually go try everything on, and we'll be right back for the recap. Okay, I apologize if the camera angle is a little different. Sorry about that. It's hard to get it set exactly back to where it was. I need to put tape marks on the floor. That's what I need to do. Okay, well, this is simple. This is a 5 for $5. Everything in this box is fantastic. It fits well. I like the way it looks. It's comfortable. It's easy. And for $96, you just, I mean, seriously, that's fantastic. That's Little Dog Jack. This is Yasmin over here having a bath, or chewing, whatever she's doing. I love these shorts. I absolutely love these shorts. Now in my last box, she sent me a pair of Lilly Pulitzer shorts and I absolutely fell in love with them. But I also purchased the bag, which was very expensive. I do want to show you that bag. I'm going to get back to that. So I'm keeping these. I love them. They're super comfortable. They fit well. I like that. I'm keeping this. I really love this. I love the bright yellow. This will actually go to Alaska with me. It's a warm enough cotton that I can put a cardigan over it when I'm on the ship and when we're in port. If I decide to wear something like this, it's fine. It'll fit well under the coats and everything, although I'll likely be wearing sweaters or like heavy, like thick tops in port. But on the ship days, this might be really nice, especially with a sweater or something for around the ship. I love it. I love the yellow and white stripe. Absolutely love it. This, I am in love with this shirt. I am in love with this top. I love it. Now, something to keep in mind, I am a size 6, but I do have a mommy tummy, and this fit around me, but there wasn't a whole lot of room there. I don't know what size my hips are. I have no idea. But if you have wider hips, you might want to size up in this if you request it. So you might want to request something a little bit higher up. I don't have the narrowest of hips, but I don't have super wide hips either. I've had 3 children, so, you know, that should tell you. And this, I absolutely love this. I know that the last top and this top are gonna have to be ironed or steamed. I am aware of that, and I am okay with that. I really like this. I like the colors. It's a fresh, light, easy breezy top. It did tend to run a little sheer, so I may wear a tank underneath it, maybe. Or I may not. It just depends upon maybe the day. The lights in here can tend to make the camera stop. I'm so sorry. Ladies, be a lady. We're on camera. She doesn't care. Anyway, so the lights in here tend to make things look a little more sheer than they actually are in normal sunlight, normal daylight. So there you go. And this dress, I really, really like this dress. I don't need 2 exactly alike. And I do tend to really like this one a little bit better than the Old Navy one. I don't know why, I just really do. It feels very comfortable. I feel like I won't be as cold on the ship because it's not the flutter sleeves. I think it fits well. I don't remember, this is in a medium. So I think it fits very well. And it's not as loosey-goosey flowy, because if you know, on a cruise ship, if you step outside, the first thing that happens is the wind hits and everything flies. So it'll be nice that it's a little more not as fly away. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna show you that bag. Okay, this is by Mercado Global, and this came in my last Stitchfix box in spring, in April. March. You can still request this. It's on my Pinterest page. You'll see it there, so you can grab the tag from there if you're interested. They have 2. This one was $118, and then they have one that's a little smaller and a little less expensive, which I am going to request. I love this. We took this into port with us on the ship. This one on my last cruise. It packs nice and flat. I was able to flatten it out and pack it in my bag. You could also use it as your carry-on, although a little big. Just saying, be careful with your airline. And it has super wide straps, very comfortable while we were walking around in port. This tag, it has a zipper in here on this side, and it has 2 slide pockets, and the whole thing zips up. The thing about this is I feel like it's washable. While I've never washed it, there's an outside pocket. I've never washed it. I would wash it and line dry. It was great for the beach. It was great for walking around all day. It was great on my shoulder. I never had shoulder pain, never had back pain. And it held everything I needed for my day in port. I would say you could take, maybe you're one who goes to the farmers markets in your area. Oh, I'm jealous. I wish we had them. This would be an excellent bag to take with you. It's, you know, it's lined, it's heavier. It's not heavy, but it's a heavier duty bag, so it's easy to put everything in here. And if something leaked or spilled or weeped onto this, you could easily wash it. I love this bag and I love what stands behind it. The company behind it is excellent, and Stitch Fix did not charge extra for this. It was the same price here as the same size bag online. However, this bag is not available with the company online. So if you want this pattern, you've got to request through Stitch Fix. So I do encourage you to go to mercadoglobal.com and check out the company, read the story behind these bags, read the story behind the company. It's fantastic. So like I said, I am pretty thrifty when it comes to my clothing and purse budget and that kind of thing. You know, I'm a Bolzano girl. I like the price point there. I love the subscription service. That's what I like. However, when something has an impact, when it makes an impact, when a company makes an impact, when they have a social conscience, I'm much more willing to spend more on it if I think it's helping a cause, and this bag is. So go check it out. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to reiterate that because I love this bag so much, and while Stitch Fix has them, I want you to get one. I want you to get one. I love it. So there we go. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give Stitch Fix a try. Ignore the cat. I'm so sorry. She's very old. She does what she wants. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.